Hello dear student. So myself Dr. Ali sir, welcome to you at Unique Classes Live. So in this session I am going to explain how you can crack NEET 2021 in just of 7 months. So it is very simple to crack NEET 2021 in just 7 months. If those students who are in class 12 or 12 appearing or 12 appearing that is and 12 passed out or dropper batch, both can follow these steps. First you have to make a study plan. What is the study plan? The study plan consists of the foundation of the days, like 7 days, 1 week. So you have to put a target for 1 week. Okay, so in 1 week you have to do physics, chemistry, biology. So according to level of toughness, physics is more tough than chemistry and biology, or biology and chemistry, whatever you do. But for the NEET aspirant, physics is tough, you consider or not. Okay, so basically physics is tough because they ignore maths, I think, and those who will follow the maths or have taken maths in their class 11 and 12 science, they did physics very well. Okay, they did physics very well. So first you have to make a routine, like in 7 days I have to do in physics 2 chapter from class 11 science, class 11, and 1 chapter from class 12. Okay, start with the easiest chapter. Okay, so what you will do in every, not in physics and chemistry, the same. So in chemistry and physics both are same. First take 2 chapter from 11 and 2 chapter for the first week. 2 chapter from 11 and 2. What you will do there in 3 chapter, these 3 chapter, first you will go through the theory, then you will solve the MCQ, related MCQ. From where? I will tell you from where in this video. Just you keep watching this video, I will tell you the books also, best books. Okay, so theory step 1, MCQ. Okay, if you have doubt in MCQ, just go and check the solution, do it again. If again doubt, do it again and attempt that similar type of question until you didn't get confident how you can do, how you can solve it. Okay, third is nothing but give the test, solve the test paper related to that chapter. Solve that test paper related to the chapter. If you score 50% in first attempt, solve that paper, check the solution, do re-attempt next day and check whether you are getting 90% or not. If you are getting 90%, very good. Okay, that's revision finish, means first 3 chapter finish. After second week, after next for the second week, do the same thing. Okay, and every month just do revision of whatever you learn just in the previous 4 week. Okay, now after completing the 2 or 3 4 week, then give 1 week for the revision of whole the 4 weeks. Okay, all 4 weeks revision and test. Same pattern, theory, first step theory, MCQ, then test paper of the all the. So how many total chapter in 4 week? That is 3 4 12 chapters. So you have to solve 12 chapters. You have to do 12 chapter in physics as well as chemistry. Okay, start with the easiest one, then moderate, then tough. Okay, that is. In case of biology, I will tell you the book just later on. In case of biology, you have to, there is a loss of chapter, double chapter. Like if in physics is 40 chapter, then the biology is around divided into 80 chapters. So how you will do? Just double the number of chapters. Like in from class 11 science you take 3 chapters, and from class 12 science you take 2 chapters for a week, and try to do revision or to study that thing in the whole week in 7 days. What you will do? Again 3 steps. First go through the theory, solve the MCQ. If you have doubts, check the solution of the MCQ. Solution means there is a solution of biology also. Okay, so solve the solution and then give the test paper, re-attempt and check whether you are getting 90% or not. Again after 4 week you do revision, give 5th week for the revision of the whole 4 week. So in this way you can easily cover the syllabus in 5 months. Okay, how sir we are doing this limited number? So you are doing limited right now in the first month, but after that gradually your speed will increase, like it will accelerate. That's why we are accelerate your pathway to success. This will accelerate, okay, and you will automatically try to increase the number of chapter in physics, chemistry and biology. Okay, now let's talk about the books. Which books you will follow, which study module, which institute study module, unique class study module, or other quota study institute study module. Which, no, you do not need to follow any study module. You have to follow your textbook, your school textbook. Second, for physics chemistry, school textbook. And for MCQ you can follow physics for MTG, objective physics, and a test paper, solve test paper, that is NEET champion physics. Okay, for chemistry you can follow textbook. Textbook is your board, and then the question given in the back side of each chapters. And MCQs, for MCQ NEET champion chemistry, that's it. That's enough. That's 3 books is enough to crack the physics and chemistry of NEET 2021. Okay, just restrict your number of books. Okay, just restrict your number of books. Don't go to lots of module and books. Okay, make the notes, make notes, okay, don't follow the module, just make the notes of your own and note down the important topics. Next, in biology, what you will follow? You will follow biology NCERT, exclusively NCERT, and the NCERT actually is written in short. Okay, in detail you have to study from the another reference book that you can go to or take Two Men's Biology. You can follow Two Men's Biology for detailed description, and from paper NEET champion biology. You can follow NEET champion biology. So what is the NEET champion physics, chemistry, biology? Is a question paper where you can easily get how many questions come in the last few years, 10 years. Okay, thank you.